Hey folks, it was a warm one across the valley again today with temperatures topping out around 100 or so. We're back in the 80s now, 86 in McAllen, still 89 in Rio Grande City, 83 Raymondville, Harlingen, Port Isabel, Brownsville, again the cool spot at 81. Dew points for the most part in the 70s right now. Lower in Starr County, but everybody else in the mid 70s. We're going to put a number on the Muggy meter at 72, and that's on the low end of things. Most places a little above that. So you're in your summertime stickiness out there, and that not going to change. Temperature, humidity combined make it feel like it's in the 90s, even at 10:15 at night. It's just not cooling off all that quickly. Now, let's watch Future Track. After mainly sunny skies today and not a raindrop to be found, I think we'll probably see a repeat performance tomorrow. Sea breeze tries to activate, triggers a few clouds, but for the most part, it stays dry. In fact, it'll be a dry day with the exception of maybe 1/2% of the area. It could be a brief shower. Sunday, same kind of thing. It's just sunny and hot. And even into Monday, doesn't change a lot, but maybe a little more moisture on Monday. And by Tuesday and Wednesday, we're putting a very slight chance for a shower in there. But when we say very slight, we're talking about 5 to 10%, but that's more than what we're looking at over the weekend. Look at the high temperatures. If we get to 101 tomorrow, that will tie the record. 101 again on Sunday. That's not quite the record. And then Monday, we drop it by 1 degree. The normal for this time of year is 96. So we're running well above average once again. Big ridge in the upper atmosphere still in control. That's not changing. We stay hot. The ridge kind of works its way down into South Texas, and each day temperatures rebound up to around 100. Rain stays away, and until something happens in the tropics, and there's nothing out there, but until something happens in the tropics, we are hot, we are dry, rain-free, and just humid. That's the other thing that you're noticing about it. So just count on warm, humid weather lasting all the way through the weekend and through most of next week as well, with that very slight chance for a shower showing up Tuesday and Wednesday, and again about 10%. If you're headed to the beach for the weekend, here's the way it starts tomorrow morning. As you're going across the causeway, fighting the traffic, 87 degrees early, southerly winds at about 17. The UV's extreme, rip current risk is low. Temperatures top out briefly about 90, and the wind picks up during the afternoon, but for the most part, temperatures all day in the 80s. The surf temperature right now at 84 degrees, and the air temperature tends to stay pretty close to that surf temperature. The bay's at 85 right now. It's choppy. Seas are running 2 to 4 feet. So tonight across the valley, 79 for a low, mainly clear and very humid. Then tomorrow, plenty of sunshine, breezy and hot again, back up to an average high of 101. Western part of the valley, you'll be a couple degrees warmer than that. Southeast wind about 12 to 25. Temperatures don't change a whole lot the next 7 days. We bump it down a notch for Tuesday and Wednesday with a very slight chance for a shower, but for the most part, it's hot and dry, and that goes all the way through the end of next week. That is your updated First One 5 forecast.